Felix Unger here, bringing you Old Town Canoes. And as you can see, we're engulfed by the great Congo vegetation.
And I'm Rick Nixon, seasoned explorer and navigational expert. As you can hear, the wild boar are plentiful in this area. We must keep a watchful eye.
As you can see, the swift design of the XL Drifter 2000 provides great stealth as it travels down the Mekong River.
Look, hither, a white rhinoceros.
Oh, a delicate yet graceful animal.
When paddling the Maldives, one must be very cautious, as the white rhinoceros is present.
As it is very dangerous to disturb their mating habits.
Must be on the lookout 24/7.
Do not be too careful.
Fight!
Don't fall forward.
A game of courage.
We should go, Nick.
Game of raw courage.
He's on.
Alright, in this corner, we have Sam Bell in the green trunks, Jiu-Jitsu King. In this corner, we have Trouble, the undefeated wrestling champ. Alright. Battle!
And the canoe is also good for family games, family fun.
Not just pleasure boating.
Not just pleasure boating.
In the green trunks, we have Sam, the Jiu-Jitsu King. In this corner, we have Trouble in the blue. He's not very good at this, so let's give him a try. All right. Ready? Big.
That didn't work out.
Oh, he's by the guard pond.
Save the boat! Save it!
Go. Wait, go get it.
No, dude, it's a water moccasin. As you can see, there's a snake.
That's about a good 5-footer. Can I help me throw
Definitely. Definitely.
That's a 5-footer. We should go grab it. I'll go get it on a
As
stick.
you can see the wildness of the Congo. It's
That's
Is it still over there?
That's a native.
Yeah, it's
that's,
just laying there.
That's a native.
Should I go get it?
Can I throw something at it?
No, dude. Hey, get that frog
the
right
native
there. Get that
mamba,
frog right
I
there.
believe.
Frog.
Hey, dude, get that frog. Let's go
Black-
feed the frog.
The native black
Are you
mamba.
recording? Are you recording?
Yeah, but I can't find it now.
Okay, we'll stop.
It's right before that thing.
Here.
I'm Sam Bell, and as you can see here in the Maldives rainforest, typical Maldives boa constrictor from the family of the water moccasin. Zoom in on that. You see that?
Yeah, I got it.
What a beautiful creature. As you can see, we face some of these hardships here in the Republic of the Congo. Oh, wow, what a beautiful creature. Let's come in for a closer look.
Many small children have been taken from this animal. Be very cautious.
Very cautious.
Mosquitoes are bad.
Watching. As you can see, he's tempted. The lure of our flesh has aroused his nostrils. He's using his snake-like senses to. He's coming in for a closer look at us. Come in. Come in.
As you can see the body style.
I'm trying to get it.
Dude, kill it. Kill it.
Just touch it. Just touch it.
Where's it at?
What a beautiful creature.
Put it on the back of its head.
The crew.
Charles Diesel, cinematographer. Dwight Garr, special effects specialist and stuntman.
Rick Nixon, seasoned explorer.
Felix Unger, topographer.
Brought to you by Old Town Canoe.